Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, I'm going to be showing beware of scammers. Like, I'm not really feeling good. I'm sick, and I got this stuff that someone actually hacked my website, logged in, and changed the payment settings. You understand? So they got my money. You understand? But it wasn't that much though. So what I will actually then I later knew it's actually a VPN that did so, you understand. So what I'm going to be telling you is that if you're actually getting a VPN or you're using a VPN, this video is actually going to be short. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the like button if you think this video is actually much helpful to you, you understand, and you should share. If you're using a VPN, I would encourage you to log in into your into maybe your Redbubble or something that actually deals with money. Especially if you are using free VPN, because when I actually checked, I don't really go into my Gmail like that. But when I went to my Gmail, then I saw they have actually paid some of my money. They have actually paid some of my money in April 20. Let me check. Let me show you. I've actually paid some of my money in April 20, which is right here. You see, April 20, right? April 14, but it entered April 20, you understand? So, and I was like, okay, I checked my PayPal because they paid this one recently, you understand? Then I checked my PayPal and I saw that, wow, they have actually gotten the stuff. Because during that time, I actually get this notification on my Gmail that someone is actually entering my Redbubble and changing the payment method. And then during that time, I think I usually use VPN for something else. You understand? So probably it was an extension though, it was an extension from this particular part. And probably during that time, maybe I actually logged in into Redbubble and the person got my passcode. So if you're using a VPN, is either premium or free, especially the premium one, don't ever log in into your maybe your bank account or your Redbubble. They're going to get the password or they're going to get a pass to it. So if they can actually sell your pass, they can actually sell your information to people, especially if it is free, because they are not getting anything from you. You're actually using their stuff for free, you understand? So you should actually not enter something that is actually going to affect you when they actually drop your information to other people, you understand? Because if they drop your information, they're actually going to be selling it, and if they sell it and somebody got your information, they are going to be using your information for something else entirely. So you should try and not do that kind of mistake I did. Really, it came in a bad time, you understand? Because really, it's the money is not that much, but really, I'm not feeling well, and I got a bad news at the same time. It's really, really not good. So that's what I want to tell you guys, you understand? So click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell if you are new and or you have been watching and you haven't subscribed. So try and do that. Thank you very much.